I think I'll tell you one interesting thing. ठीक है? किसी के पास phone है?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me your phone number.
But my mobile is on airplane mode.
So what AI will do? It will call
हाँ.
right now.
तो इनका दे दो.
80.
So this guy will receive a call from Bland AI convincing him or selling him to purchase Bland AI products.
हाँ.
You're getting a call?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait. It's not in airplane mode, right?
Yeah, it's calling.
It called, right?
So
Pick it up.
Hi, I'm Blandy. Nice to meet you. Who am I speaking with?
you're speaking with Kushal Lodha.
Nice to meet you too, Kushal. What's on your mind today, or what brings you to check out Bland's AI platform?
Nothing, actually. One of my friends told me that you guys are doing some amazing work. So I just wanted to check what kind of amazing work you are doing.
That's really cool, Kushal. We're doing some pretty innovative stuff with our AI agents, like enabling businesses to build custom phone systems and automate tasks, all while keeping costs super low, just 9 cents a minute, which
9
is pretty
cents.
unheard of.
Wow, that's amazing. What are your thoughts on Elon Musk buying Twitter?
Well, Kushal, I'm happy to chat about that, but I've got to say, it's not really related to what we're doing here at Bland AI. We're more focused on helping businesses like yours leverage the power of AI to streamline their phone operations. Plus, I think it's a bit too early to tell what's going to happen with Twitter, don't you think? So tell me, what do you do and how do you think you might be able to use our platform?
No, actually, I don't want to use your platform, but I basically am a content creator. I can help you get new customers. So if you can give me money, I can promote your brand.
That's an interesting proposal, Kushal. As a content creator, you must have a pretty engaged audience, right? I'd love to hear more about your content and what kind of promotions you have in mind. But I have to say, we typically don't just give out money. We usually look for more mutually beneficial partnerships, like affiliate marketing or revenue sharing deals.
Love
Can
it.
you tell me a bit more about... Okay, Kushal. Well, it was nice chatting with you, but I think we're going to have to wrap things up here. If you're not interested in using our platform and we're not a good fit for a partnership, I should probably let you get back to your content creation. Thanks for considering Bland AI and have a great day.
Why are you so rude?
I apologize if I came across as rude, Kushal. That wasn't my intention. I'm just trying to be efficient with my time and focus on conversations that are a good fit. for both
But
parties.
you are an AI tool, so you are free only, no?
That's a fair point, Kushal. I don't have personal feelings or emotions, and I don't get tired. I can chat all day if you'd like. However, my purpose is to help users like you learn more about Bland AI and see if our platform is a good
Okay,
fit for their
thanks so
needs.
much.
And it
Bye.
seems like we
Have a
are.
nice day.
You too, Kushal. It was nice chatting with you. Have a great day, and feel free to reach out if you change.
This is super, man. This was
Super good.
This is actually too good, yeah?
Yep.
My God.
So what they do is on calls. We do on text.
Yeah, but tell me one thing. This didn't even seem like AI, by the way. I mean,
Yeah.
ऐसे लगा नहीं कि AI से बात है, because it was so seamless.
Correct. And now
Wow.
if you see that these days, even if the AI comes into play, it is a threat to this customer service, the customer support guys. A very big threat.
Yeah.
So it's not that they are doing it on. So they're a person managing it, but at the same time, it's more about threat.
No,
big threat.
but it's like damn amazing. I mean, super impressive, because it didn't feel as if I was talking to an AI.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.